Hello! So today I will be reviewing the BILENA Serum Tinted Lip Balm. This is just a quick review. Review ba tawag yan? Review of these lip balms kasi I have used the Toast of New York shade of this one. I really like the Toast of New York kasi it really moisturizes my lips. Bihira lang ako makita ng lip balm na nag-work sa akin. Yung mga Nivea, yung hindi nag-work sa akin yung mga yon. Drying din siya sa akin, yung mga ganung lip balm. Yung nag-work sa akin is the Carmex one. Any Carmex would do. Basta Carmex nag-work sa akin, na-remove yung yung dead skin ng lips ko. This is how the packaging looks like. Very simple. Straight up, may ganito, may carton. Tapos, sa loob is yung product itself. Ganito yung itsura. Simple packaging, very elegant. I like it. First one, latte. The very sikat sa TikTok itong latte. Maraming may gusto nito. Okay. So this is latte. Ganito karami yung yung products na makukuha mo. This is 3.2 grams. I got this for 143 pesos during the Valentine's Day promo ng BILENA sa Shopee. I got the Toast of New York shade of this one first. And I really liked it kasi nga natatanggal niya yung dead skin ng lips ko over time, which is really nice. Not really nagbabalat siya, but okay, here's the story. I used it on my lips for like 3 hours. Then I wanted to remove it kasi matutulog na ako. I removed it using water lang. Then parang swipe ko lang siya ganon. Natanggal yung dead skin cells, dead skin ng lips ko. So, I really liked it. So, umorder ako ng 3. I didn't get the blue shade because I don't think magagamit ko siya because it's very red and smudgy siya. As you can see, lip balm na siya, diba? So, nagsasmudge to for sure. And you don't want na, personal preference ko, you don't want na parang all over the place yung redness, yung red shade sa lips mo. I use red kung matte lipsticks, ganun lang. Anyway, let's go. One layer. Let's add another layer. Tingnan natin kung buildable ba siya. Kasi yung Toast of New York buildable to. Yun. Ito, I'm not really sure. Yeah, it is buildable, but as you can see, the dark edges of my lips are still very visible. Hindi niya kalon na-cover. That's latte. Ang lapit ko pala sa camera. That's latte. Then let's remove it. Madali lang ito ma-remove kasi nga it acts like a lip. It works like a lip balm. It is a lip balm. See that? Tanggal agad. Next is we have Toast of New York. Ito yung gagamitin ko. I don't wanna open the new one that I got kasi nga mayroon pa naman ito. This is Toast of New York. As you can see, teka lang. As you can see, very gamit siya. Yan na lang yung natira. Toast of New York. Oh, look at that. Look at that. First swipe, and as you can see, medyo na-cover na niya yung dark edges. Let's add another layer. This is like this has an orangey tone. Undertone. Basta medyo orangey siya. This is Toast of New York. Isn't it pretty? Okay, so the last shade that I have is Naked. I'm excited sa Naked kasi in some videos that I saw on TikTok, it has a brown undertone. Tama ba? Basta medyo brownish siya. In some, medyo red. So, I'm not really sure. But let's say. Pasensya na medyo shaky yung video kasi handheld lang yung camera ko. Naked. This is one layer of Naked. It looks reddish brown on me. I don't know if napipick up ng camera, but it looks reddish brown on me. Oh my gosh. Naked is also very pretty. Medyo reddish siya sa camera, but in person, medyo brown. Parang caramelish. Medyo reddish siya sa camera, but in person, it has a brown tint to it. Brown tint. Medyo brownish, reddish, red brownish siya sa akin, which I really like. So nice. That's so hydrating. So, yeah. Final thoughts. Final thoughts na agad because I have tried this naman. So, it is so nice. I think it's the only lip balm, brand ng lip balm na nag-work sa akin. Talaga. Because I really have dry lips and it really worked on me. Super, super, super duper hydrating. It's really, really nice. The formulation, by the way, hindi ko na sinama yung mga turvalo nito. I'll just put it here, okay? As you can see doon sa Toast of New York na una kong pinala. So, I think, wala pang 1 month yun. Ubus ko na kasi ginagamit ko rin dito sa bahay. Super, super nice. And yung Carmex ko, minsan, madalas ko talaga yung ginagamit, but now, hindi na. And you know, Carmex is kind of expensive. This is actually retails for 245 pesos and I got this for only 143. And I believe, as of today's recording, what is today? February 24, it is still 143 sa Shopee and Lazada. So, if you have dry lips like me, I highly recommend this. Super, super like. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Pasensya na medyo shaky yung video kasi I am just holding the camera. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.